Welcome back guys to our channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe, like and share. So today we are moving to our next question in this shell scripting series, that is a personal echo. So write a bash script and blah blah, accepts name as input. So here we have to print the input, means like you have seen in C language that we took the input from user with scanf. In Python using the input parameters and all. In I think in other languages there are multiple steps. So in bash script we are going to do that, means we have to take the input from user. So just like other syntaxes in other languages, in shell scripting also there is one thing, ech dot. First of all I will create the file. Okay, so if we have to take the input from user, so there is the read syntax through which we can take the parameter, and I have to give the variable name. Okay, I have to take the name from the user, and simply I have to print that echo, and as name is the variable, so we have to put this $sign, control x, control y, and dot slash ech. No, first of all I have to convert this into executable 777 ec.sh. Then I am going to run this ec.sh. Now I will give the input. Now I am giving the input Vaibhav, enter. So it had printed Vaibhav. So we will put this answer here in our HackerRank and we'll check the test cases. Okay, is anything missing? Okay, we have to add this welcome thing. We can use this $sign inside this string also, inside that parenthesis. Welcome Dan, welcome Dan. Yeah, this works fine. And there is one another alternative, as we have used the printf so in C, so we will use here also. This supports for printf also. So %s, and then I have to print the same. I think this should work fine as well. Yeah, we will submit the code. So that's it. So thank you, and please come back. Thanks.